Dear students, in this class you will discuss chapter 2nd of class plus 1, that is relations and functions. And this is the one of the important chapter because you use this concept to understand other chapters of class plus 1 and plus 2. So please do understand it carefully. So let us take its first part, that is relation. And to understand a relation, you need to understand one of the important term, that is Cartesian product of sets. Cartesian product of sets. Product of sets. So let us understand this concept, Cartesian product, by taking one situation. I take two non-empty sets here. This is set A, and you suppose it is a set of trousers, and suppose you are having only two trousers, black colored and white color. I take a non-empty set, that is B. Suppose it is a set of shirts, and suppose you are having only two shirts, lemon colored and pink colored. And if I'll ask you how many ways you can dress up with these choices, what do you think? And you will answer, sir, in this situation we can dress up in 4 ways. It means either you can dress up, you can wear black trouser with lemon shirt, B with L, and black trouser with pink shirt, and third choice, white trouser with lemon shirt and white trouser with pink shirt. You will speak, sir, there are 4 choices. In 4 ways we can dress up. You are right. So what is this? This is only Cartesian product. We denote like this: A cross B. Now I can speak Cartesian product of two non-empty sets A and B is a set. Is a set mean? We can write by using these brackets. Is a set of all possible ordered pairs from A to B. यानी कि A से B में बनने वाले जितने भी possible ordered pairs we have to write in this set. अब देखो B से L possible था, we have written. B to P was possible, we have written. W to L we have written. W to P we have written. And there are only 4 possible ordered pairs. And if you ask me question, sir, for what reason you are calling these ordered pairs? Then my answer is because first element of each ordered pair taken from set A and each second element of each ordered pair taken from set B. It means हर ordered pair का जो first element है वो A set से लिया गया है और हर ordered pair का जो second element है वो B set से लिया गया है. And we are following one order. So this is the reason we are calling these ordered pairs. So there are 4 ordered pairs in this Cartesian product. So once again I repeat, Cartesian product of non-empty sets A and B is a set of all possible ordered pairs from A to B. Now let us discuss its definition. So as per the definition, given two non-empty sets. So let me take here two non-empty sets so that you can easily understand it. This is A set and this is B set. And elements of A I take 1, 2, 3, and elements of B let me take 4 and 5. So that you can feel these sets are non-empty. And next is the Cartesian product A cross B. We are going to find out Cartesian product of A and B, and we can write like this. And is the set. Cartesian product is a set, then definitely you use these brackets, curly brackets or braces. And it is a set of what? It is a set of all ordered pairs of elements from A to B. इस सेट में सारे के सारे पॉसिबल ऑर्डर पेयर्स लिखे जाएंगे सेट ए से बी तक. You see 1 to 4 first ordered pair you write in this Cartesian product, फिर 1 with 5, 1 with 5, and third is 2 with 4, and 2 with 5, and 3 with 4, and 3 with 5. And it is a set of Cartesian product, and in this set how many ordered pairs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And for what reason we are calling ordered pairs? I have already told you, because they are following one order. हर ordered pair का जो first element है that is taken from set A, and हर ordered pair का जो second element है we have taken from set B. This is the reason these are called ordered pairs, and there are 6 ordered pairs. And if you observe one thing, you see number of elements in set A, yes, 3 elements, and number of elements in set B, yes, 2 elements. And you see, if I'll ask you how many elements in their cross product, आप लोग सर 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if I'll ask you element of this set, so here an element in the form of ordered pair, हर ordered pair एक element consider होगा in the Cartesian set. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements. You see, 6 elements. Did you observe one thing? A set के 3 elements, B set के 2 elements, and number of elements in their Cartesian product set 6. And you can speak one thing here, sir. As per this observation, we can speak one thing. If any set A will having P element, and B set will having number of elements are Q, so we can speak number of elements of their Cartesian product would be equals to P multiply Q. You see, A के 3 elements, B के 2 elements, and in their Cartesian product 3 multiply 2, I mean 6 elements. Now let us discuss some facts of Cartesian product. First is, we have already discussed, if any set A, number of elements are P, and another set B, number of elements are Q, then number of elements of their cross product, we know that equals to P multiply Q. And we have already discussed, suppose A set are having 3 elements, B set are having 2 elements, the number of elements of their cross product equals to 3 multiply 2, I mean 6. Second is, if two ordered pairs are equal, if two ordered pairs are equal, it means their corresponding elements are equal. Their corresponding elements are equal. Elements are equal. Suppose we are having two ordered pairs are there, x comma y equals to a comma b. If these two ordered pairs are equal, then definitely x equals to a and y equals to b. It means अगर कोई दो ordered pair बराबर हुए तो उनके फर्स्ट एलिमेंट्स भी बराबर होंगे, उनके सेकंड एलिमेंट्स भी आपस में बराबर होंगे. Now let us discuss the cross product of 3 sets. Suppose that we have taken here set A, elements are -1 and 3, and we want to find out A cross A cross A. I mean Cartesian product of 3 sets. So in this case, very first you find out the Cartesian product of any 2 sets. Suppose here I have taken first 2, and let us work for A cross A. And you see here, let us solve with the help of diagram, and -1 and 3. You see, write the ordered pairs of this set. Minus with minus 1, minus 1 with minus 1, minus 1 with 3, minus 1 with 3, 3 with minus 1, 3 with minus 1, and 3 with 3, 3 with 3. This is the A cross A. Now let us take A cross A cross A cross A, and this would be set, and this we have already done. So let us do this Cartesian product with the help of diagram. We are having this set A cross A. We have done. Write the elements. Minus 1 minus 1. Elements of this set are ordered pairs. Minus 1 3, 3 comma minus 1, and this 3 comma 3. I take this set A, and elements are minus 1 and a 3. This with this and this with this. I write minus 1 comma minus 1, and in this set we were getting ordered pairs, and in this set we are getting ordered triplets, and this with this. Minus 1 and 3. This with this and this with this. Minus 1 3 minus 1, minus 1 3 and 3. This and this. And here 3 minus 1 minus 1, and 3 minus 1 and 3. And this and this. 3 3 and minus 1, and 3 3 3, and 3 3 3. So this is a Cartesian product of 3 non-empty sets.